Alright guys, welcome back. I wanted to congratulate you. You are pretty much done with activity 32 at this point. We're looking at 32.3. We're going to go over the last few questions assigned from that section for you, and then we'll talk about the homework. So, on page 474, we were looking at numbers 9 through 13. We skipped number 11. You're welcome to do it, but I'm not going to cover it. Number 9, we're looking at what Alex says versus what Ethan says. Alex says that all congruent circles are similar. Yeah. Versus Ethan saying all similar circles are congruent, okay? All congruent circles, that means all the circles with a radius of, let's say, 5, right? They would all have to be similar. They're the same circle, the same size, right? Ethan's problem is if you take a circle with radius of 5 and a circle with radius of 7, they are similar, but they are not congruent. So Ethan is wrong in this case. Number 10, what's the radian measure equivalent to 0 degrees? I want to take a second on this one. 0 degrees, technically, the radian measure would be 0 pi, but we don't actually have to write the pi, so we would just write 0. Okay, just FYI. And then 180 degrees, we know that one is simply going to be straight up pi. Number 12, we look at going from pi over 2, which is 90, we talked about in the last video, and pi over 4 was 45. Hopefully these were very easy for you. The last one's kind of fascinating with 13. We start with 75 degrees. 75 degrees, when you convert it, is 5 pi over 12. If we double that degree measurement, we get 150, which is 5 pi over 6. If we double that again, we get 5 pi over 3. Okay, notice the radian measure is being doubled each time as well, okay? Which is kind of a cool, fascinating thing. If we went to 600 degrees, which it is possible to go around the circle more than once, and we will do that later, but you would get 10 pi over 3, because you can't reduce the 3 anymore. So, just as an FYI, that is 9 through 13. So, homework. Yeah, homework. We're going over to page 475, 476. We're doing numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 11, 13, 14, and 15. Again, you're always welcome to do extra. You're always welcome to do all the problems, but these are the ones we feel would help you the most. Hope it made sense. If you have any questions, guys, you're welcome to reach out. All right? Thank you.